Hi, you guys. I know I'm trying to control myself. Bienvenidos to my channel. This is my first video I'm sitting down to film in about 3 weeks, you guys. No joke. I'm happy to be back. I'm happy that I'm healthy and fine. If you did not follow me on any of my other social medias, I got hit with Rona. And because I was already sick in December, it hit me harder than normally, and I'm finally back. Thank God, you know, He is merciful, and I'm able to sit here and I am healthy with no complications at all, but it was rough. I'll tell you that much. It was very, very rough, but I'm just happy that no one else caught it in the house. I was literally the only one sick, so I don't know how that happened either, but it did. Anyway, so today, you guys, I want to share with you guys my lucky bag. I told you guys that this is a thing that I do every year on my channel. Even though I called it labor pains last year, it really is, because I completely forgot how terrible it was last year. But I do have a theory for this year, so I'll get to it in a second. But first, if you're new, welcome. My name is Alejandra. I go by Alex. I'm an eyeshadow enthusiast with a Dash Project Pan. If that is something that interests you and you want to see on your feed, join us, subscribe. And now let's get on with the unbagging, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. All right, so I know you guys have been seeing this around. I am probably the last person to get this box. This box took over 10 days to get to me. From the time they shipped it to the time it came to my house, it took over 10 days, you guys. And about 5 or 6 days of those, it was stuck in Arizona. I do not know why. I have no idea if there was some sort of sandstorm or some sort of issue. I don't know. But it sat in Arizona forever before it was shipped out to the East Coast of the state. The other thing I noticed is typically my beauty box is shipped out of Philly, which kind of bothers me that I'm paying $10 for something I can go drive an hour for to get. But that's besides the point. Mine normally every other year has shipped out of Philly. This year it actually shipped out of San Francisco. So that is something different, which I'm kind of like worried whether this box is going to be good or not. If it's going to be better. Was the Philly distribution center just not as good? I don't know. I haven't had much luck with this unboxing. I always get things that are like, I'm never that cool person that gets that cool stuff. But we'll see what we get this year, you guys. You know, I like to torture myself with these things. So anyway, this is the Beautylish bag. I'm sure you guys have heard it. If you have not heard it, Beautylish does this every year. The day after Christmas, you can buy an extra large bag or a regular bag. I stick with the regular bag just because the shipping is ridiculous. And normally Beautylish has free shipping, so I don't know why they're charging 10 bucks. Speaking of that too, I got something shipped from California about 3 days ago, and it took 3 days to get to my house, and I paid $4. This took 10 days and I paid $10. I'm just putting it out there. So I'm not gonna look. I just, you know, took off the tape over here. This literally came to my house late last night. I mean, it was like 8 o'clock at night when it got to my doorstep. So, and this was supposed to originally be here last week, and I'm telling you, with all the delays that we've had, I didn't get it until last night. So I wanted to sit down and do this because I wanted to see. I'm not going to look to see what I get. I'm just going to dig in, and we're going to go ahead and get started. You know, everything is wrapped up in bubble wrap, and I don't want to look. Oh, this is going to be hard. I can't. All right, I'm going to have to, like, I can't. Okay, here we go. Okay. I didn't look. Now, the first thing I feel is something that we get every single year. Not surprised. This is from Good Molecules. This is actually a cleansing gel, which I'm not upset about because I am running low on my cleansing gel that I currently have now. Over the years, I have started to appreciate this brand. I do own quite a few of their skincare products, so I'm not upset as much as I was in the past that they're throwing these in these boxes, because I can actually use this, and I do like it. I actually want to try their eye patches. Ooh, this is actually really nice. Okay. All right. I'm sure I'll put the prices up on the screen for you guys, but I knew I was going to get a Good Molecule something, so I'm not upset about this because I can always use that. Oh, all right, I got a Viseart. This is the first time I see a Viseart in here. as far as like everyone else's boxes. Viseart, this is their Petite Quad. Now I got the blue one. I was hoping to get like a green one or something, but this is what this one looks like. Oh, it's cute. Okay. I can get use out of this. I'm not upset about this, you guys. I did see that they came out. These are not that expensive, but I do like Viseart, so I'm not upset. I wish I would have gotten a different color story, but I'm happy with this because I don't own it. So at least I got something I don't own. An eyeshadow palette, quad, whatever. Now this is something I saw a lot of people also get. This is the Wayne Goss High Shine Gloss. I got mine in, oh goodness, it's a flower. I don't know how to say it. Let me Google it. Hold on. Hyacinth. Oh my goodness. English language just sucks because that does not look like that. At least in Spanish, you know how you write it is how you say it. So this is in the shade Hyacinth. Oh, this is pretty. That is very, very pretty. I could definitely get use out of this. Oh, it smells minty. Oh, this is a very pretty shade. Okay. That is a very, very pretty shade. I am not upset about this. Not upset. And this is like a gloss where I can use it all on its own. I actually have a lip liner that would go perfect with this. All right. So far, you guys, this has been the best box I've gotten since I've started this. So I got a set of brushes. Now, I believe from what I understand, these are actually Beautylish brushes. Every year I get a brush either from Wayne Goss or Sonia G. So I'm not upset that I got these this year. These look like they're eye brushes, which you guys know I don't mind eye brushes. These are from the unit. Ooh, these feel really nice and soft. Okay. I could definitely get use out of these. Oh, this is a nice one. I could definitely see myself getting use out of these brushes. Now, I know these brushes are not that expensive. They're at a decent... Oh, this is a nice thin one, too. Really get in there. Ooh, is that the sun coming out finally? Yay! You guys, we've had a foot of snow. When you guys are watching this, it's there. The kids are finally back in school. But yeah, I like these. And I like this. This is something that I can appreciate very, very much. I own so many brushes and there's so many black handles that I get lost. I appreciate BK Beauty doing the red. I appreciate this being bright orange. I appreciate Game Beauty doing purple. Like, I love that they're changing these because that helps me a lot to really pinpoint these out of my makeup collection. So again, I'm not upset about that. Okay, you guys. Maybe those labor pains got an epidural this year. I don't know. What did I get? What is this? These are towel scrunchies for sweaty, salty, wet hair. Oh. Okay. I guess this is better than eyelashes that I got one year. Super absorbent, reduces drying time, comes in reusable, waterproof. These are actually not bad. My daughter, my oldest, can use these because she has very thick hair. Okay. I'm not too upset about this. I'll be honest with you. I'd rather get this than eyelashes. And last but not least, I'm sure, I don't know, there could be more and I'm just like, what is this? What is this? Huh. Oh. Okay. I ended up with two eyeshadow things. This is the Hindash Beauty Pressed Pigment Palette. This is that gradient one that everyone was raving on. I actually did a video about how everyone liked this palette and then it was never seen again. Well, here I am. Huh. It's interesting. Now, this one can be used for the whole entire body, I believe. Like, you can do... This is meant to be for, like, a makeup artist where you can use it for blush, for contouring, for highlighting, for eyeshadow, for, you know, everything you could think of. All right, I'm not upset about this. I wish I would have gotten, like, a different palette, but you know what? I don't own this, you guys, so I'm not mad. I'm not mad. I think that might be it. Now that I got my lipstick off my teeth, I will put on the screen what the total value of this box is. And I gotta tell you guys, I don't know if it has to do with it being shipped out of San Francisco versus Philadelphia, but this has been my favorite box so far that I've ever purchased. And I purchased, I think this is like my 4th or 5th time buying this. I didn't do all of them on camera, but I have bought them and unboxed myself. I don't know if it's either that or the fact that I'm not shopping as much, but I am not upset about what I got. If I were to pick one thing that I'm like, about, would be these towel scrunchies, but I still find these to be useful because I can still use these in the summertime. As long as they're not breaking my hair, I think I should be fine with these. So I'm not upset about these. The brushes look really nice. Now, again, every year I get a Sonia G or Wayne Goss one, which I think are awesome, but I'm not upset about these at all because I know these I'll definitely get use out of, and they're super soft. For what they are, I'm actually excited for these. So, and I love these brightness of these. These are really, really nice. This is fun. This is my very first Wayne Goss anything. And the color that I got, awesome. Awesome. I'm hoping I like the formula. This I could need. This is like a necessity versus like a want. Like, you know, you need things and you want stuff. This is more like a need, which, hey, if I'm not paying it directly, then I'm okay. And I know I'm going to like that. And then I'm surprised. I'm very happy I personally got 2 eyeshadow products because I am an eyeshadow enthusiast. So Viseart I really like. I wish I would have gotten a different color quad, but I'm not upset about it because it's actually not bad. It's not bad. And this would be interesting to use. I have only seen a handful of people use this and talk about this. So I am curious to see how I can multitask this. And maybe this might be a palette that'll come in handy for me in the future to like reach for travel if I ever travel again, or if when the day that I go back to the workforce, this might be something that may be very useful to me. All right, you guys, that was it. I am actually not upset. You guys, this year I got an epidural and I was chilling throughout those labor pains. I enjoyed it. I'm actually not upset. Wow. Normally I'm like giving away things or like about it, but nope. I'm good. I'm actually good. I've only seen a handful of these videos because I just wanted to see what people were getting, but I haven't seen this compilation. So I'm actually excited. Let me know what you guys think. Are you excited for me? Do you think that this was a good box? Considering the past few years, I've not been that happy with my stuff, but I am very, very pleased. I'm very pleased with what I got. So that's it, you guys. I'll link all the products down in the description box because they are available on Beautylish's website. If you are interested in any of these products, let me know what you guys want me to show you guys on camera because I can do some of these with Get Ready With Me's and share my thoughts on these. So I'm excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put more videos on the screen for your enjoyment. Until then, adios.